let's do something like purchases, coffee machine, and we need a new coffee machine. It's $100 because the previous one just broke. So I'm going to send this. It's going to go into new, and it's basically the same process. It's going to send this description and the policy for purchases to the AI, and it's going to decide something, right? So it went to pre-approve, okay? Because if I open this, the request for a new coffee machine aligns with the company policy of replacing broken office appliances, and it's also under $1,000. It didn't say that, but it usually compares, and that's the sort of comparison it's doing right now. So you can see that it's quite helpful, especially if you're receiving like 100 of these a day. I don't know.